Hi gorgeous! I have here my favorite top 5 makeup products under $5. With the rising prices, I really wanted to share with you some of my favorite products that you can use every day. I also have one bonus item that it didn't make sense to not mention in this video. I was actually planning to film this video 3 months ago because I have a series on my channel, top 5 makeup products under $20, under $10, and also now under $5. So in my notebook I had written all of the prices from 3 months ago, and today I have checked the prices, so we're gonna see which brands have increased their prices. I'm gonna start off with the e.l.f. Wow Brow. This is a brow gel mascara. It has microfibers to make the brows fuller. This is great for thin and sparse brows like mine. It has a waxy consistency. It doesn't feel tightening on the brows. You can use it by itself for a more natural look. For more coverage, you can touch the applicator on your skin and then blend with the spoolie. So this way you're gonna fill in your brows with just the gel mascara. We have a buildable formula. The brows are not gonna get spidery or crusty. The Wow Brow is long lasting all day. It is easy to apply and mess free. We have a small spoolie that is super easy to use and you can define your brows very nicely. It works very well with brow powders, brow pencils, brow pomades, basically any product that you want. And my favorite way is to use it with a brow pencil. I'm starting first with a brow pencil to give the shape that I want for my brows, and then to set the brow hair I'm using the Wow mascara. If you are blessed with fuller brows, you can just use it by itself. You don't have to use a brow pencil or another product. They don't contain a lot of ingredients that you can read here. Also, the e.l.f. products are cruelty free and vegan. I have tried 2 shades of this brow mascara, the deep brown and also the neutral brown. The deep brown has a cool undertone, also it is a little bit darker, and the neutral brown is warmer. Both of them look very natural on my brows. You can find this product in 5 shades and the price of it is $5. I have checked a lot of e.l.f. products to see the prices and they have stayed the same, so we don't have an increase. That's great. This is definitely a product that can compare to high-end brow mascaras and it is a lot more affordable. Moving on, I have a product that I have tried this year and it has blown my mind away. I have compared it with 5 other drugstore concealers, and this one here is the Wet n Wild Megalast Incognito All Day Full Coverage Concealer. It comes with a doe foot applicator and the formula is creamy and blendable. About the coverage, it is buildable from medium to full and the consistency is lightweight, so it's not feeling heavy on the eyes if you apply more. I like that it is not drying very quickly, so you have time to apply and also blend it. Another great benefit is that you don't have to apply a lot of powder to set it, and it can last all day long without creasing. You can find it in 21 shades. I have tried the shade light beige. This specific shade gets 2 shades darker, so keep that in mind if you want to buy this concealer online. Otherwise, just swatch it in store on a tissue paper so you can see if the color changes. It has a flowery, perfumey scent that I'm not a huge fan of. However, it is not drying on the skin. Also, you don't smell it after you blend it on the face. It retails for $4.39. In my notes, I had $4.29, so it is 10 cents more expensive. It's not a lot. And let's continue now with a lip product by NYX. I have here the Slim Lip Pencil Creamy Long Lasting Lip Liner. On the packaging, the name is just lip pencil, so it is easy to remember. It contains jojoba oil, shea butter and coconut oil to keep the lips soft. It has a creamy, weightless formula that glides smoothly on the lips. You can blend it with a brush or you can just press your lips together to transfer the color all over the lips. Because of the great coverage, you can apply this all over the lips and then just add a little bit of lip gloss. We have a comfortable transfer-proof formula. It is long wearing and it is not bleeding around the lips. I like using this all over the lips as a base for lipsticks. We have the old school lip pencil with the wooden scent that I absolutely love sniffing. It smells so good. You can find it in 39 shades and they have 2 finishes. One of them is natural matte and the other is satin. I have here 4 shades. The first one is mauve. This is a deeper mauvish color. Citrine is a pink pink lavender with a satin finish. Peekaboo Neutral is a peachy brown shade, and the natural is a light brown shade that I love a lot. The lip liner retails for $5 and it was $4, so we have a 25% increase. That's a lot for a makeup product. After that, I have another product under $5 that I have been using for years and years and years, and these are the Ardell lashes in the style Demi Wispies. These can look amazing on a lot of different eye shapes. I had them in my professional makeup kit when I was doing bridal makeup because they can fit everyone. Also, this is a style that I like on my eyes as well. The band is thin and very easy to bend, so you can have a seamless application. I have here some used lashes as well, and I don't have a pair of lashes. I don't know what happened. Also, they are very lightweight and comfortable on the eyes. That's why I had them in my professional makeup kit, because a lot of times clients want to try fake lashes but they don't like if they feel heavy. You can find fake lashes with a black band or transparent. If you like transparent band lashes like me, you need to apply first eyeliner very close to the lashes so it can be a guide for your fake lashes. Another way is to apply first the lashes and then create your eyeliner, but for me that's a lot messier. I have a few styles here to show you. Something that I didn't know about Ardell lashes is that they are handmade, so even if you have exactly the same style 2 times, they're not gonna be exactly the same. Also, Ardell lashes are cruelty free. Some of the styles are made of sterilized human hair. They also have some other with synthetic hair. I have tried a few styles of the Ardell lashes. If you want fuller lashes and a black band, you can try the Glamour lashes. For smaller eyes, I recommend the style Babies, and if you have bigger, you can try the Runway style. Glamour and Natural are some other styles with a transparent band that you can try. Also, they have the Demi Wispies with fuller lashes. They are called double lashes, so if you like the curve of the Demi Wispy lashes, you can also try the double. I have said lashes a lot of times in this video. The price for one pair of lashes is $4.99. You can also get them in a pack of 5 for $12.99, which is a great deal. If you have never tried Ardell lashes and you don't know which style is for you, they also have a pack with different styles that you can get and see what works for your eye shape. You can wear them 3 to 4 times if you remove them gently. What I'm doing is I'm taking a Q-tip and I dip it into micellar water. Then I'm going on the lashes and very gently I'm taking off the lashes. I'm not just ripping off my own natural lashes. Then I remove all the excess glue on the band and I sanitize the hair and the band, and this way it is safer to use them again. To have a great fake lash application, you also need a very good quality lash glue, and this is the bonus item that I was talking about before. I couldn't just show you fake lashes without a lash glue. I have here the Duo Brush On Adhesive with vitamins in clear. It needs about 30 seconds to start setting on the lashes, and it is super easy to apply with the brush tip applicator. This one is a thin brush like an eyeliner. This brand has a few types of brush glue, like the Quickset Strip Lash Adhesive. This product has a small plastic spatula. The formula of this one dries a lot faster. So they also have the squeezy tube that I don't have now because I found these. I find that it is a lot messier to use the squeezable tube. However, that is the first dual lash glue that I was using. To be honest, I found these by accident, a happy accident. Between these two lash glues, I prefer the brush on because it is easier to apply if your lashes have lift off in the inner corner of the eyes or even in the outer corner. Sometimes mistakes happen. You can also apply some product with the plastic spatula. However, it is a lot more convenient with a brush tip applicator. My eyes were never irritated by this lash glue. Also, you can find it in 2 colors, black and clear. I always get them in clear, to be honest. Once applied on the lashes and then on the eyes, you don't feel the lash glue. You can buy this for $4.99 and the price has stayed the same, so thumbs up. If you are not a fan of fake lashes, I really like this mascara under $5 too, and this is the Lash Princess Curl and Roll Mascara. We have a fiber brush with an hourglass shape. It is a very easy brush to use. With this one you can define the lashes easily. It gives nice length and and lots of volume. It is not staining the skin if you apply by accident on you. During the day it is smudge proof, transfer proof, and you're not gonna find flakes under the eyes. It gives an intense black color and the lashes look very smooth, and it gives an uplifting effect that I love. With one coat this looks very natural and you can use it for everyday lashes. If you want you can apply more, it is buildable. For this mascara we didn't have a price increase and you can get it for $4.99. You can find 5 Lash Princess mascaras and I have done a comparison review. You can watch it here.